Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to lock a meeting in the Zoom app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll need to either join an existing meeting or start a new one yourself. This feature is particularly useful when you want to ensure that only the people already in the meeting can stay, preventing any latecomers or uninvited guests from joining midway through your discussion. After you've entered the meeting, tap anywhere on your screen to bring up the meeting controls. These controls typically appear at the bottom of your screen and include various options for managing your meeting experience. You'll see several icons and buttons that allow you to control different aspects of the meeting. Next, look for the three dotted lines icon at the bottom of your screen and tap on it. This icon opens up additional meeting options that aren't immediately visible in the main control bar. It's where Zoom keeps many of its more advanced features and settings that hosts and co-hosts can access during an active meeting. From the menu that appears, tap on Host Tools. This section contains all the administrative controls that allow you to manage your meeting effectively. Host Tools give you access to features that regular participants don't have, making it possible to maintain order and security throughout your meeting. Once you're in the Host Tools menu, tap on Security. This is where Zoom centralizes all the safety and privacy features for your meeting. The security menu includes various options like enabling the waiting room, locking the meeting, and controlling participant permissions. These features are essential for maintaining a secure meeting environment, especially for sensitive discussions or private sessions. Now, within the security menu, navigate to the lock meeting option. You'll see a toggle switch right beside it. Simply tap this toggle switch to lock your Zoom meeting. Once activated, this feature prevents anyone new from joining the meeting, even if they have the meeting ID and password. This is incredibly useful when all your expected participants have arrived and you want to ensure complete privacy for the remainder of your session. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Zoom meeting, ensuring that only current participants can remain in the session. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.